Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back. If you're new, my name is Cher. Over here we talk about everything lifestyle, growth, being a better version of yourself, and making that money. And if you're an OG, welcome back. You know how it goes. I really appreciate you. I know when you open your YouTube app, you've probably seen some smaller content creators whose videos are being suggested to you. You may be wondering, is the algorithm broken? Why am I not getting any views on my videos? Why am I not gaining any subscribers? So guys, I'm here today to share 5 tips with you that you should be doing right now, right now. If you have not started yet, you need to be doing these right now so that they can help you to grow your channel. We're in this together, so I'm not gatekeeping, I'm sharing these tips with you. Found my peace and grounding, now I'm leveled. New beginning. Hello. The first tip I want to share with you is to just post. I know you've probably heard this a million times, but look at it this way. If you don't post, you won't have content for people to watch, and also the YouTube algorithm will not have anything from your channel to recommend it to others. So the first tip is to just post. I know some of us would be worried about we don't have a fancy camera, we don't have good lighting and all of that. Guys, let me tell you, most of the times the content that we start out with, we end up putting those videos on private, or even if we leave them, when we go back to look at them, we're like, oh, that video is so cringy because of where we started. But it is a process, it is a journey, and you're in the learning phase. So if you are scared, if you feel like what people are going to say, just get over the fear. Just sit in front of your camera like what I'm doing right now. It's just you and your camera, like you're talking to your friend, and post whatever content you're interested in. Just post it, because that is how the algorithm is going to get used to your channel to say, okay, this is what they're posting, so these are the videos that I can recommend to others. So that's tip number one, just post. Tip number two is also another one that may be cliche, but it works, and it has been proven time and time again that you need to be consistent. So it doesn't matter what you're posting. Once people are interested in your content, they're going to want to see more of you. So you have to continue putting out that content for your audience to get videos to watch. It's just what it is. I know it is cliche. I know you've probably heard this as well. A lot of times, many creators saying you just need to post, you just need to post. But yeah, you do need to post and be consistent, because that's how the algorithm also works. When you have videos on your channel, they recommend these videos to people who are interested in that kind of content. And if you're not being consistent with posting, then the older videos on your channel are eventually going to be flatlined. And when I say flatlined, I mean after a while the algorithm is just going to stop suggesting those videos to people and picking up channels with newer videos to recommend it to people who are interested in. So if you want to stay on top of your game, you need to stay consistent. You don't have to be posting every day on YouTube. Make a schedule to say, I'm going to be posting a video twice per month, and that's it. If you're going to post once a week, then that's that. But just know that you have content flowing on your channel. Tip number 3 is to copy. I know that a lot of us don't want to copy other stuff, but it's the reality of it, and it's just the world we're in right now, the YouTube world. So what I would suggest is that, let's say you have a content idea that you want to post. You may not have the best title for that content. What I am going to suggest that you do is to, let's say you want to make a video on how to make money online, right? You're going to pull up an incognito window and on your browser, and then you're going to open YouTube. You're going to search how to make money online for that title. Or you don't have to search the whole thing. You can just search how to make money, and you'll see the suggested titles that are searched frequently, and you can use those to kind of create your title. But if you can also search, and then when you get the videos that YouTube recommends, you can look at them to see which ones have the highest views. Also look at the ones that are, if they're larger channels, you need to pay attention to that as well, because you know that larger channels will automatically get more views, right? But you can look for a channel that is smaller and the video is doing well, see how they structured their title and thumbnail as well. Even though sometimes I feel like thumbnail is not a big deal nowadays, but your title is very important. So you can look at the thumbnail and the title and kind of get inspiration from that. So when I say copy, I don't mean to entirely copy everything, but sometimes when you copy someone else's title, it does work, because if you have a title that YouTube is pushing out, is recommending to a lot of people, and it's doing well from a smaller channel, you can say, okay, maybe this is a good title for me to use for my video as well. But I'm not telling you to copy word for word, to copy everything that the person is saying in their video. You need to be unique. At the end of the day, you have to come with your own content. But a lot of creators are doing it. A lot of creators are copying other creators' title and blowing up on YouTube. You need to try to do this too, because hey, it's just the reality of it. We are trying to be up there. We're trying to be independent. We're trying to make some money, right? So if you are in this for the long haul and you want your channel to grow, you want to build an audience, then I will suggest you do your research, as I've mentioned before, and copy. And let me not say copy, but personalize it in your own way. After looking at the creator's title, thumbnail, if you want an inspiration for your thumbnail, you can create one of your own similar to what they create. And that's that. Some people will tell you don't copy, but I am telling you to copy because it works. And if you want to prove it, just search some titles on YouTube and you'll see how many creators are using the exact same title. If you're liking the video so far, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Share the video with a friend who this information may benefit. And let's move on to tip number 4. For tip number 4, this is a setting in the YouTube Studio app that I need you to change. You need to log into your YouTube Studio and change this setting right now so that your videos will be suggested to more people and your recent videos will be suggested to your audience, because sometimes our recent videos are hidden and we don't know. This is the reason why. You're going to open your browser and type in studio.youtube.com, sign into your YouTube channel, and once you're on the home page, you're going to select the customization tab, then home tab, and under the layout section you should see for you, and then a more settings option. You're going to click on more settings, and after more, under content type, you should see some options. So it should show you video, shorts, live streams. You're going to ensure that those are turned on. If it is a case where you are doing short videos, if you're doing live streams and regular videos, if you're not doing live streams, you can turn it off, but I have all 3 turned on just in case in the future I want to start live streaming on YouTube. But you can leave that one out for now if you don't intend to do it, but it doesn't hurt to keep it turned on. Then the setting that I want you to change is the recency. At the bottom here where it says recency, you need to change it. If you have yours set to recent content only, you're going to change it to all content recommended. The reason you're changing this setting is so that YouTube can recommend your new videos, your newer content, to people who are interested in your content and not only the older videos, because sometimes the newer content that we produce can get thrown to the back, like it's not being recommended. So changing this setting is very important so that your content will get shown. Once you change the settings to all content recommended, you're going to select done and publish. If you don't select publish, the changes that you've just made won't be saved, so you have to select publish. After selecting publish, it should show you that the changes have been saved. And that's it for tip number 4. The last and final tip is to believe in yourself. Guys, I know this, a lot of us are scared, a lot of us don't really believe that we can do what we want to do. We have it in our minds, we want to do it, we really have this urge to do it, but we're scared of what others may say, we're scared of what our family may think. But at the end of the day, you're doing this for you. If you have a passion for it, or if you're in it for the money, if you're in it for the money though, ensure that you know it's not an immediate gain, because it is something that is going to progress over time, and you have to put in the work now so that over time you'll reap the rewards. But believe in yourself. Always ensure that whatever you're doing, you are not easily influenced by others, and you know what you want from doing this, and you just go for it. I was shy. I am still a shy girl, and I'm here on YouTube because guess what? It's just me and my camera. I'm just sitting in front of my camera talking, and I'm speaking to you guys at the end of the day. So believe in yourself, know that you can do it. If this is something that you really want to do, put in the work, and I'm sure you'll reap the rewards in the long run. But don't let anybody tell you that you can't, because you definitely can. Just like I am doing it, you can do it too. Just like anyone else is doing it, you also can do it. And I do believe in you. So believe in yourself and just start. Just press record. It doesn't matter if you don't have a fancy lighting, you don't have an iPhone, you don't have a fancy camera. All you need to do is to take up your phone once the camera quality is good and we're able to see you, we're able to hear what you're saying, and that's all you need. And if you don't have good lighting, ensure that you record your videos in the daytime so that when the sun comes out or when you have the natural lighting, you get your videos. Even if you have to bulk record, like record 2 videos for that day, just so that you can stay on top of your game, do it, because you will definitely reap the rewards. It will be so satisfying when you receive that first YouTube paycheck and you're like, oh my god, I did it. Yes, I know, we did it, we did it. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. We're on our road to 10K. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.